Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we're going to make a C++ project on the topic Human Resource Management. So let's see the requirements of this code. You require an ID for running and compiling the source code. Second, you require a text editor. You may use any text editor as per your choice, but the recommended ones are code blocks or VS Code. Thirdly, you require an operating system. You may use any operating system, but the recommended ones are Windows 10 or any other latest version. Now we'll go to the code part and I'll show you how this code exactly works. So here we have included all the header files initially, then we have the standard line that is using namespace history, the class named individual under the private access specifier. We have certain attributes of different data types. Then under the public, we have various functions starting from A to Z, A to Z. Then we have the class named society, that's also private access specifier. Here we have two arrays like variable and part, and under the public access specifier we have certain functionalities, certain functions like add people, delete people, search, update and data. Then these are the global variables that has been declared which can be accessed throughout the program, and these values have been initialized. As you can see, the arrays have been also declared. Then here we have add people function where we are going to see the information of the employees in the table, the first name, last name, personal ID and the pay per year. Then asks you whether you want to add information to other employees. Then in the delete people function, here if you have to remove an employee, then you have to enter his ID and you have to enter a number. Basically here the distinguishing factor is your employee ID. Then this is the information of the employees which will be displayed on the screen. The first name, last name, personal ID and the pay slip per year. Then if whatever you have entered is invalid, then it displays invalid entry. No record of the employee with entered ID exists and asks us, do you want to continue or not, yes or no. This is the update people function. Here you have the ID of the people to modify the data. You have to enter a number to try again. And after entering a number, if the value is matching, then good. If it's not matching, it will be driven away from the code. It asks you to enter the option number from the given list, that name, family name, working hours per week or payment for 1 hour. So basically you have to enter the details that is asking you to enter because this is human resource management. Then if you want to update any information, you can also do that. And basically that function will be called and the particular thing will be changed. In the data function, you have to choose the option given below from the family name and pay. And if you enter a number which is not 1 and 2, then it says please enter a number and you have to try again. Then according to the option you selected, sorting will be performing on the basis of family name if you select 1, and sorting will be based on pay if you press 2, and sorted list will be printed accordingly. In the search people function, searching will be done on the basis of the given fields, that is family name, pay, and again you have to enter your choice. Accordingly, if you enter your choice correctly, you will be driven towards the particular section of code. Then it asks you to search for the range pay of the employees, and it will show you, or it will ask you to enter what is the minimum pay for search. Then it will ask you to enter a valid number and asks you to enter the maximum pay for search. Then after entering the valid number, it will display you the employee's name, first name, last name, ID and pay. Then if the searching is done on the basis of the name of the family member, then again it will sort things, and again the information of the employee will be added to your database. Then if you want to go for searching of more data fields, you can press Y or F. Y if yes and if no. Then again this will be asking you to enter a string. If you have entered incorrectly, it will ask you to enter a string again and again until you choose the correct one. This is the main function. Here there are certain optionalities like the addition of new employee, delete employee information, update the employee information, make reports based on specific fields, search employee and quit. So accordingly these cases have been defined and it will be driven towards a particular section of code. So I hope this explanation is pretty clear to you. Now what we'll do is we're going to run this and I'll show you the code output. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new employee. First name, Simran. Last name. Nayak. Working hours is 3. Cost per hour is 20. So, see, this is the total amount he is getting 1040. Want to add information of other employee? Let's say no. What I'll do, I'll update. Yes, I'll continue. Again, what I'll do is I will update. So 3. So enter the item to delete ID of employee to modify data. I want pay per year, pay, or say I will be editing through the first name. So please enter a number. Sorry. 1. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now what we'll do? Now we'll search for employee. So I'll search by the family name. Name of the family member is Samran. So the info it is added to my database. I'll not search for any more. I'll press yes. Now what I'll do is delete. It's asking me the ID. It's 82480001. 82480001. No. So now, yes, I'll quit. So I hope you understood the working of this code. For more interesting project ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you and have a great day.